Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So today we are going to start with English language as we are going to discuss the topic articles. Okay, so I request you all to open page number 49 as we are going to discuss, indefinite articles. The topic name is articles, and in that we are going to discuss indefinite articles a and an. Okay, so first of all we are going to understand what are articles. A, an, and the are called articles. They are used before nouns. All these three words, a, an, and the are called articles, and they are used before nouns से पहले use होते हैं. And they we have two types of, or we have two kinds of articles. Articles are of two kinds, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, and they are used before singular noun, and definite article is the. Okay, so today we are going to discuss only indefinite article a and an. Definite article we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, so we are going to understand what is indefinite article. First of all, we are going to read the following example here. A bird was sitting on a branch. A, as you can see here, I have underlined especially. Okay, a bird was sitting on a branch of a tree. As you can see, that I have mentioned before, that a and an are used before singular noun, which is single in number. So that's why, a bird was sitting on a branch of a tree. The bird had made a nest on the branch, a nest of the tree. Okay, the bird laid an egg in the nest and flew away happily. Okay, so here wherever we are talking, for the first time about any subject, or the subject we are not sure about, and the subject which is singular in number. Okay, for that we are using a. Okay, a bird, we are not sure which particular bird they are talking about. Any random bird, a bird was sitting on a branch of a tree. The bird had made a nest on the branch of the tree. The bird laid an egg in the nest and flew away happily. In the above example, a bird means any bird. ठीक है, we are not sure which particular bird they are talking about. An egg means any egg. A nest means any nest. A tree means any tree. A branch means any branch. So please keep this thing in mind whenever we are talking about a subject for the very first time. Okay, so at that time mostly a or an are used before them. Okay, so that's why a bird, a branch, a tree, a nest, an egg, we are not sure which particular bird or which particular egg or tree we are talking about here. Thus a or an is called an indefinite article because it doesn't specify, it doesn't tell particularly who. For example, it leaves the person or thing spoken of as an indefinite means when we are unsure of the thing. So that's why they are called indefinite articles, because they are used before not a particular thing. Okay, so these are indefinite article. Now we are going to understand, where we are going to use a and where we are going to use an. So as you can see here, we are going to discuss a and an, where we use a and where we can use an. So first of all, a is used in front of singular countable noun, and this thing I have discussed just now with you. A is used before singular noun, a person, animal, or thing, which are not specific, which we are not sure about. We do not use a before uncountable or plural nouns. We do not use a and an both. Before uncountable, the things which we cannot count, or the things which are plural in number. Okay, if nouns start with a consonant. Okay, if a noun start with a consonant, as I have told you, there are five vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, and the rest of the letters are consonant. I have discussed this thing so many times with you, that vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and after leaving these five letters, all the other letters or the rest of the letters are consonant. So uh, you know a is used before consonant. Okay, the words which are starting with the consonant, before them we have to use a. Now we are going to look upon where we can use an. So, an is again used before singular countable noun which are not specific. Same thing as a. We do not use an before uncountable noun or plural nouns. The only difference is here between a and an. An is used before the noun which start with a vowel sound specifically, if I talk about. ठीक है, we have to go with the sound here rather than the letters a, e, I, o, u. Okay, we are not going to look upon these letters specifically. We are going to follow the sound of vowel. Okay, which is a, o, u, e, e. Okay, we are going to follow the sounds, not the letters. Okay, so please keep this thing in mind. We have to go with the vowel sound rather than vowel letter. Okay, after that only we will be able to do a and an correctly. Okay, so now I'm coming on your book, uses of indefinite article. We have discussed the rule already. Before singular countable noun, for example, a car, an elephant, a purse, an umbrella. A is used before a word beginning with consonant sound B, C, D, Z, etc. Okay, for example, a fan, a sparrow, a trunk, a man, a yard, a zoo. Okay, next is the point that I was discussing with you, that vowel sound is important because A, E, I, O, U are vowels. But here in the seat, please concentrate carefully. Here the words are starting with U and E, but they are not giving the sound of vowel here. Please, again and again, I'm mentioning the sound specifically. So words like unicorn, year, university, year, union, year, useful, year, European, year, begin with the consonant sound year. तो ये सारे जो words हैं, no doubt they are starting with vowel letter, but they are not giving the sound of vowel. Okay, please keep this thing in your mind. Uni, year sound they are giving. Year. So that's why we are using a before them. I am mentioning it again and again. Vowel sound is important rather than vowel letter. Okay, the sound you have to keep in mind. You have to speak the word. You have to check the word by speaking whether it is giving the sound of a vowel or whether they are giving the sound of a consonant. Okay, only then you will be able to do it correctly. Okay, so please concentrate on the sound specifically. Now you can turn page number 50, as we are going to discuss an here. An again used before singular noun, and they are used before a word beginning with vowel sound. Again, I have written here the sounds. I am not concentrating on A, E, I, O, U. I am concentrating on the sound that they give. Okay, like an apple, apple, an egg, an enemy, an elephant, an envelope, an ink pot, an iron, an ice cream, an umbrella. And now I have added one by myself, an honest man. Here, see carefully. The word is starting with H, but H is silent and giving us the sound of awe, nest, awe. So that's why I have used an before it. So please keep in mind that the words which are starting with, sometimes starting with consonant, but what sound they are giving is important. Okay, so an honest man. Okay, so please concentrate on the sound. Okay, next is words like are, our, honest, um, ear begin with a vowel sound, though their starting are consonant. ठीक है, no doubt the words are starting with consonant, but जो उनकी sound जो आ रही है वो vowel sound है. Hence the indefinite article an is used before them, and so that's why the indefinite article an is used before them. Okay, that's why we are using an before them. Okay, so I hope I have cleared the difference between a and an, and you have to specifically go with the sound, not with the letters. Okay, please go with the sound. Please check the word by speaking whether they are giving the sound of a consonant, whether they are giving the sound of a vowel. Okay, now please look at this worksheet where we are asked to fill the blanks with a and an. So first of all, elephant, so an elephant. Unicorn, no doubt the word is starting with the U, with the vowel, but it is not giving the vowel sound, so that's why A. Okay, next is car. The sound is k, so that's why we are writing a car. Acaron, okay, a, so that's why we are writing here an acaron. Okay, acaron. Next with a lemon. Okay, l, so that's why a lemon. Okay, teacher, so the sound is a t, so that's why a teacher. Next, ice cream, I, ice cream, the sound is I. Okay, so that's why an ice cream. Oven, oven, a sound, so that's why an oven. Okay, so you have to concentrate on the sound itself. Okay, next is an umbrella, a umbrella, an umbrella. Next, an eye, an eye. Okay, an eye, eye. Okay, so you have to concentrate on the sound itself. साउंड पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा आपको. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज हाउस अ हाउस एंड अ पेंसिल. Okay, a house and a pencil. So I hope I have cleared your doubt regarding a and an. You just have to concentrate on the sound that I have discussed with you, and after that there will be no problem in solving the worksheets. Okay, today I will send you a worksheet that you have to solve on the rough notebook. Okay, on rough notebook, because on the book there is a mixed exercise with the a and the. Okay, so please try to do that worksheet on rough notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.